In today's video, I'll be going over the top 6 high-yield savings accounts that you can open right now with updated APY. A high-yield savings account is an amazing place to keep your emergency fund or any short-term savings that you need for the near future. I took the time to research all the best high-yield savings accounts, so I'll be going over the best high-yield savings accounts that you can open right now, the pros and cons of each, and go over step by step on where and how to open these accounts. Now, what is a high yield savings account and why should you open one? Think of how much money you have in your regular savings account right now. Now, how much interest do you earn on that money? 0.1%? 0.03%, so pretty much nothing, right? High yield savings accounts are so great simply because they just pay you more money for keeping your money inside the account. This allows your money to grow way faster just by sitting in your account. The higher your annual percentage yield or APY, the faster your money grows and the more money you get compared to a regular savings account. Before we get into the video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more future videos just like this. Number 6 on today's list is the Betterment High Yield Cash Account. Betterment is a financial services company that offers services such as investing, retirement, and cash management. They offer a great high-yield cash account with a super high APY of 4.75%. The best part is that you can receive up to 5.5% when you open your first cash account with a qualifying deposit. I think the biggest pros of this Betterment high-yield cash account is that it has a super high APY of a base of 4.75% and up to 5.5%. It has unlimited withdrawals, no minimum balance, no monthly fees, a great mobile app, and it's FDIC insured by partner banks for up to $2 million. Now, the only con I can personally think of is that it has no physical branch access. Now, who is this account best for? Honestly, it's good for anyone who wants a great high-yield cash account with a solid financial services company and is okay with online banking only. All you have to do to open an account is go to the Betterment app or the website and click Get Started, and pretty much just go through all the options. Now, you're probably wondering, how much can I make with this high-yield savings account per year? Let's look at it right now. So let's say you put in $20,000 and you contributed no money after that and left it sitting there for 1 year. With the 5.5 APY, you'd make over $1,100 just by leaving your money in this account. That's crazy good. Number 5 on today's list is the Marcus by Goldman Sachs High Yield Savings Account. Now, I'm sure you've heard of Marcus before, as it's pretty much one of the most popular high yield savings accounts out there, simply due to their excellent product offering. I think the biggest pro of Marcus by Goldman Sachs is that it offers a 4.4% APY, which is super high, but if you refer a friend for 3 months, you can receive 5.4% APY. Honestly, that's pretty solid. Some other pros include no monthly fees on savings accounts, no minimum deposits, and it's FDIC insured for up to 250 grand. Now, a couple cons that I can think of are it has no checking accounts, no ATM network, and no physical branches. So who is this account best for? Honestly, it's best for anyone who wants a completely online banking experience from one of the most popular high yield savings accounts out right now. All you have to do to open up an account is go to the Marcus by Goldman Sachs website or app, click Explore Online Savings here, and click on Online Savings Account and click Open Account. Now, how much interest can you make on your money? Let's say you put in $20,000 with 0 monthly contributions over a period of 1 year, and let's say the 5.4% APY stays for a year, let's say. With the 5.4% APY, you would earn $1,080 just by leaving your money inside the account. Okay, that's only 3 months. Let's say you earn a 4.4%. How much would you make? You would still make $880 on your money literally by keeping it inside the account. It doesn't get better than that. Next up on today's list, we have the American Express High Yield Savings Account. Now, I'm sure you've heard of Amex, as it's one of the most reputable financial institutions in our day and age here in the United States. A fun fact about Amex is that Warren Buffett, one of the most richest billionaires and most well-known investing legends, is heavily invested into American Express. You've probably seen their credit cards hanging around, such as the Platinum or the Gold, which are amazing cards. And yeah, American Express is just a very reputable financial institution that offers a great high-yield savings account. As you can see here, the current APY sits at 4.3%, which is pretty high. Personally, one of the biggest pros about the American Express high-yield savings account is their APY, which is pretty high. Other than that, it's pretty easy to use. There's seamless integration into the app. no monthly fees, no minimum balances or deposit requirements, 24/7 customer support, and it's FDIC insured for up to 250 grand like the other one. The only cons that I can think of is no branch access and no ATM access. Who is this account best for? Honestly, it's really good for anyone who already owns American Express products, who want to seamlessly integrate a high yield savings account inside of the Amex ecosystem. To open a high yield savings account with Amex, all you would do is go to their website or app and click on open an account. And once this page loads up, you can click begin and go through the process. Now, how much interest can you make with 4.3% APY? Let's check it out. With an initial deposit of $20,000, zero monthly contributions over a period of 1 year with a 4.3% APY, you'd make $860 all by keeping your money inside the account. Pretty solid. Next up, we have the Discover High Yield Savings Account. Discover is honestly considered one of the top 3 financial institutions in the United States, and they offer great products for every type of customer. Now, diving straight into the pros, honestly, the pros include a high APY of 4.3%, no monthly fees, a great mobile app, and is FDIC insured for up to $250,000. The only small con that I can think of is that it has no physical branch access, but that's a very small con. Now, who is this account for? This account is best for anyone who wants a great high yield savings account and is okay with online banking and is possibly part of the Discover ecosystem already. To open an account, all you would do is go to Discover's site or their mobile app and click open an account and follow all the steps. Now, how much interest can you earn? With a $20,000 deposit, zero monthly contributions over a period of 1 year, with a 4.3% APY, you can earn $860 on your money without doing anything. Pretty solid, right? Next up, we have the Capital One High Yield Savings Account. Capital One is honestly one of the most reputable banks in the US, and they are one of the banks that offer a great high yield savings account that many people use. The biggest pros of the Capital One 360 High Yield Savings Account is that it has a solid APY of 4.3%, as you can see here, no monthly fees, no minimum deposits required, no maintenance fees, and is FDIC insured for up to $250,000. The only cons that I can think of is that it has limited branch access, as full-service Capital One branches can only be found in 8 states across the US. Now, who is this account for? It's great for anyone who doesn't mind doing their banking online, and if you're already in the Capital One ecosystem, that helps a lot as well. To open an account, all you would do is head over to the Capital One website and click open an account and go through all the steps. Now, Capital One's APY is 4.3, so how much can you make? You would make $860 per year just by keeping your money inside the account. Pretty awesome if you ask me. Next up, we have the Wealthfront Cash Management Account. The biggest pros of the Wealthfront Cash Management Account include a super high APY that's 4.8%, no monthly maintenance fees, unlimited fee-free withdrawals, you can receive direct deposits up to 2 days early, and is FDIC insured for up to $2 million by partner banks. The only cons are no physical branches and fees for cash deposits. Now, who's this account best for? It's best for anyone who wants a super high APY with a trusted financial services company. To open an account, go to Wealthfront's website and click Start Saving with $1. And go through all the steps. Now, the biggest question here is how much can you make with the 4.8% APY? If you put in $20,000 and zero monthly contributions over 1 year with a 4.8% APY, you would make $960 just by keeping your money inside the account. Pretty amazing for free money. High yield savings accounts are so amazing. Instead of earning a 0.03% interest rate on your money, these accounts will let you earn a much higher interest rate on your hard-earned money. Keep in mind that any interest earnings will be taxed as ordinary income, so you'll need to pay taxes on these earnings. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, my name is Paul, and I talk all things money and finance. So if you like this type of content, please smash that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. Your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock your full financial potential together. I will catch you in the next video. Take care.